We want to urge the people of Baringo County, the people residing in our towns, to exercise respect, to ensure that when they are disposing garbage, they should put it inside the receptacles that are provided in an organized way. And we also want to remind ourselves that it is illegal to dispose it carelessly, the way we've seen even on this route here. So going forward, we want to urge the people that when you package your waste, bring it in a bag and put it in the receptacle in a very gentleman and respectable manner. We are going to be prosecuting those who will breach that law, those who will be throwing them, because the bylaws for Baringo Town are ready and approved by the Assembly, and we'll start applying them.
We acknowledge the fact that a clean environment goes a long way in taking care of our health and making our urban centers more sustainable.
The municipality and the departments of urban development and even the Department of Environment have plans to ensure that we add more of these people, more of these cleaners in our towns,